Alright guys, what's up? It's Goku VR. So, we are here with my cousin DJ Woot Woot. Go subscribe to him. We're here with Carson, my other cousin.
Don't subscribe to him. He throws rocks in the water.
Carson doesn't even have a YouTube channel.
Well, if he ever does, don't subscribe.
Okay, so
Because he
these
throws rocks.
button, Cody, I'm gonna need your rod in a minute. All right, Cody. Cody, I'm gonna need your rod in a minute. Oh look, caught something. So this button right here, hold it down.
Yo.
Put the. No, I'm doing the bad one and the good one.
Yours ain't bad, but it's just like not as good.
So you hold down the button, put it back, then just fling it and let go of the button.
There.
Just reel it in until the rod's tight.
Hey.
So that is the button pull. Now we're gonna show you the lever pull. Hold on. Oh, it touched me.
You try to catch it. Let's catch it.
It's tangled.
Behind you. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Why are you being creepy?
We're gonna show you the lever one. Cody? Run.
Untanglement. Oh, this boy heavy.
Here comes the big boy.
Hey, yo, Oh,
You gotta hold the string
CJ, don't
like
do it right
this.
now.
Put up the lever so it's loose. Bring it back. As you're doing it, let go of the string. You just put that lever down, then reel it in a little bit. That's the lever boy. That's the lever boy. The big boy.
Person, did I say that? I said, can I use it after you in person? Did I say that?
Cody. There you go.
Cody. You got a phone charger?
That was my best one I did with the lever one. But I'm gonna show you a little maintenance for fishing. Oh wow.
Look, I think it's in the passenger seat. Take the keys, they're on the table. Take the keys, they're on the table. Should be over there on the big table. Yeah, are you Kendra?
Hey, CJ, watch this. Yeah, bro.
Can you help me, Cody?
Yeah, I get it.
You got a face reveal. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You.
Wait, hold on. Never mind. I think I got it. Let's see.
Okay, for a second. No, can I use
Turn it over. Then
How long is yours?
About 10 feet.
That's cool.
that's the good stuff. Hey, Daddy, look.
You're only 2 more feet than me.
Nice.
Here's my dad. It's a face reveal. Yeah, I'm making a video for my YouTube channel, fishing tutorial.
Throw my pole in the water.
And I'm gonna show you guys a little fishing stuff.
Don't lose or break the pole, please.
I'm gonna do it up here, should I? Oh, well.
No, just do it off the dock.
Yeah, do it
Throw
off
as
the
far as
dock.
you can. That would be perfect. Don't fall, don't drop it, please. Okay? Don't throw it.
Oh. Well, Daniel asked.
Cody, I saw that one thing took a rain.
Alright, guys. Whoa. Alright, guys.
Dad, come on.
Whenever I make my content, I want you guys to like and subscribe. Always subscribe. Always subscribe.
This is fucking guy.
Or else you like men.
Yeah, look at him. That guy.
Like and subscribe or you like men. Carson, crouch, crouch, crouch.
Have a heart attack.
Oh, I see.
You want to be limbo?
I know, look at my bike. Cody. I got like 6 on my legs and that one.
You're crazy.
So you see?
You're crazy.
You're getting stung in the back right now.
Probably.
Yeah.
Bad.
Alright.
Real bad.
Now look, DJ Woot Woot's over there. I'm going to teleport to him. 3, 2, 1.
Because he.
Alright, we're
Wait, is
here.
it pause? Pause it.
Why?
Just do it.
Why?
Just pause it.
Why?
Just,
Okay.
Yo,
so his
watch
rod
out.
is sick.
Watch
though.
out!
His rod's sick though.
Get out my way.
I'm trying to show. That was a rocket. That was a rocket.
Oh shoot! I gotta reel this one in. I forgot.
Cody!
Oh, I got something! I got something!
Cody! Yo, he got something! Yo, Harrison got something.
Turn the drag down a little bit.
What I do? What is that? Shoot, this thing's.
Is it snagged or you got some?
I got some.
Whoa!
I think it's snagged.
No, I got some. What? Yeah, but it's mine. I got it's still closer. Wait, where?
Just reel it in. The people want to see that fish.
There is no fish.
Yeah, there is. Reel her in.
Snag.
No, it ain't.
Think so?
Yo,
Yo, come on. Reel it in!
I'm trying to.
CJ. He's gonna break it. Can't do that.
It's getting close.
Is it moving?
It's moving. It's a fish.
You got any paper bags? Huh? You got any paper bags?
It's not moving.
I'll take this one.
I stopped moving and now it's not moving.
Hey, did you catch some? No, he's just snagged.
Show the viewers!
Yo, you're gonna sing us. What the frick?
Yo. You got one?
Yeah, I got one.
You didn't
Oh.
get
I need
one.
help, guys. Come out.
No. It's a snag, Harrison.
I know, but I'm trying to get it out.
Well, Harrison, name reveal.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Back up, guys.
Back up.
That's not moving.
I got it.
DJ Woo Woo, go to the middle.
No, not to the middle. You're gonna sink us. CJ.
The middle will balance it.
No, it won't.
I'm not the middle.
We're starting to tip to the right. So
We've always been tipping.
We'll go to the left.
Go to the left some. Harrison, come to the left some. It's not. Come on.
Woo!
You guys get off here. You're gonna not.
Should go to the left.
don't think I got nothing yet.
Oh, got me on my neighbor.
Did I get a bite yet?
Look at this arm.
Hey,
Let's
Hey.
see how
did
all
I get
that.
a bite yet?
You can see where my sleeve was. Let's
Did
see
I
how
get a
it's all
bite yet?
blotchy
Yeah.
Hey, did I get a
When was
bite
that?
yet?
when I was 16.
Did I get a bite yet?
Oh, that looks like your veins
Hey.
almost, don't it?
Yeah, no, look. See how my veins are black? Like I got burnt.
It's a snack.
Look at
So
that.
what, your veins just turned black?
Yeah. It was.
Hey, what's
I got.
up, y'all?
Hey, what's up, guys?
What did he just do? Is he after something?
If you come up
Hey, did you bite
He's on
anything?
YouTube.
Did you bite it?
Hey, what's up, Chad?
Okay.
full.
Here's the turn.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Crouch! Crouch. Right there. This line. Here, come on, go right ahead. Oh, you're watching? No, keep it down. Alright, nice.
I just had to get over here.
Limbo!
Way over there, baby. Before you make me catch a chase. You said limbo.
Hey, I think I got something.
It's you actually.
It's wiggling.
Harrison.
He would never do that.
Harrison.
What?
Show Cody.
He wouldn't do that.
Dang it. Quit being diddy, bro.
Quit being. What do you mean I'm diddy bopping?
Don't be a diddler, bro.
Bro, I am Diddy.
They're calling you out.
They call me Puff Daddy.
Well, you're like white dude, like Drake.
You know what I do to boys like you?
Drake is tan.
That's what I do if I kiss a
Is that one ready?
It's a lighter.
Jackie Chan. Is this ready?
Jackie Chan? Why'd you just call me Jackie Chan and then run away?
It's funny.
Oh boy.
You're gonna get called Jackie Chan for the rest of your
I'm
life.
using this.
Bob.
No.
No. So,
Is that rope still there? Is the rope still there?
she's intruding.
It does. So see your way out of it.
Boom, boom, boom. I summon Rocket.
can go.
She's mad.
Yes.
We want her out here.
We do it?
No, I didn't say not out here.
We did?
Alright. Let me turn my brightness
I thought
up.
we were just saying, I hope she don't come.
Ah! There you go. That's better. Carson, get out the way.
Yeah, I already did it.
I no that was $6. I had $4 in my
God.
wallet, and I was like, "Hey,
Like a
can I pay
jet
4 cash and the rest debit?" And they're like, "Sure." So really only paid $2.
Rocket, I choose you.
I forgot about that $4.
in your wallet in your pocket?
No.
Because he's got $4 in some green pants at your house.
Oh yeah, I take his money all the time and just spend it.
Well, if you're spending on his
All the birthday cards. Yep. Yeah, I'll get you some.
Let's get back to that video.
I'm just eating a little bit.
Let's get back to that video, guys. Want to make this a long, long, long video. Pretty long. Why not give you a little tour of the house? House.
Do it.
I'll show you all the people. This is my dad. I already showed you.
Nope.
Yo,
This is Caden. He doesn't want to show his face.
he's Drake.
This is DJ Woot Woot. You already know him.
W.
This is Cody.
L.
Whoa.
No, this is Cody, DJ Woot Woot's dad. And
He's
this
not
is
my
when-
dad.
Not his
Yeah,
dad.
stepdad.
He's not my dad.
Not his stepdad either, really.
No?
Just some guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is Lynette,
In his truck.
my grandma.
It is.
This is Carson, my cousin.
I already got in the video, so they don't need to see me.
Yeah, they already know.
No editing.
You don't want to be shown? Okay. This is Sheena.
What's up?
My I don't know. I'm not sure. This is Paige, my cousin.
My I don't
This
know.
is Lenny, my I don't know.
Chair. Oh, he said I need to go. Look at this. Mommy.
Bye.
What are you doing?
Wait. One more person. This is Roy, my granddad.
Who's that?
This is all the viewers. Say hi.
Hi. What view?
I'm gonna post this video to YouTube, and they're all gonna see you, and they're gonna be like, "Oh, hi." Let me try and use DJ Woot Woot's Sigma Boy thing. I don't know. It's got bait. It's got a bobber. Should be good. Just give me a hot minute. Let me do it once.
Yeah, I will.
There it is. That's a cool.
Yeah.
Like where we had his birthday party.
Yeah, the pump.
Yeah, and now we're at the Marriott.
Oh,
For his swing shit.
And ruined all their pumps. No, this thing is a failure. It's been closed about a month. The pool there. But
Probably fun.
dang!
it got a,
Probably.
I think they said a $2.8 million project approved to do new HVAC.
Oh, I caught something.
Hey,
Ugh.
who suckers
Will you actually get
clothes
some?
on
No,
Who's that?
just testing it out.
That's
So they're doing that.
Maybe talk to the viewers while I'm fishing. The phone's right over here.
So the pumps are like,
What?
like our
What am I doing?
He's trying to be a lion.
No, man, I got the big final stuff.
No, I know.
Little stuff, I can go and take one back.
You know what a lion is?
maybe your son's security.
You hear me? You're an OF. Yes. Yes. But now with the hard ER though. Jeez.
Are you using my pole?
Don't ever say that again.
No.
What is this? 1945?
Whose is that?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, we like them. Well, I guess they're all white over there. They'll probably be like, hell yeah, I know. Dude, I haven't got bit once. Not one time.
That was terrible.
Your page's name is Penelope. That is Paige Penelope.
Oh boy.
CJ. I'm calling Paige Penelope.
Oh, no, I just flicked that cigarette butt into the fire pit. Like, the front of that chair. I swear to God. What? No, it's still smoking in here. I guarantee it. Look at the grass right there. Nope. Right. That ain't the one. It landed in here.
All right. Oh, 20 minutes. If you're still watching this video right now, thank you. You helped us out.
They're all mine though.
Don't subscribe.
Kaden.
Don't subscribe. Go back out. Go back out.
That's what you get for saying please
I'm leaving this
unsubscribe.
You gotta stop before I throw you in that phone in the water, boy.
I'm gonna show you around.
I know. I shouldn't hate that area.
I can teleport wherever I want. Like actually, I can teleport wherever I want. Wait, look. Here. Boom, I'm back. I'm back, guys! What happened?
No.
What happened? Daddy?
What?
You know what that? Yeah, I'm getting bored of it recently. I was like, you too.
How's the marshmallow drop?
You drink that other night, you like?
See, Joe.
How's the marshmallow drop?
You look kind of.
See, Jay? See, Joe?
How was the marshmallow drop? Oh, it was good. Oh yeah, I had a marshmallow drop. A little bit ago. I got the $1 flimsy fishing rod.
Wait, what'd you tell him? You don't want to know because it's waiting.
Alright, $1 flimsy fishing rod. It's like it's like 2 feet long. You ready? Terrible. But this is next level.
No.
Draw me in. I said let me in, Cheeto Fingers.
Yeah. There's sausage and stuff. I found a piece of it. I can't eat much of it, but I think it's cute.
So that's pretty good.
That's good. In the mysterious room. This video might end soon. Please give me to 50 subscribers so I can live stream. I would love that. Got the members mark. Okay. Let's call me. Bang.
This person is. No.
Were you in the bathroom, CJ?
No. I was in that room.
Have you spent the night here yet?
No.
I think I'm gonna sleep right here.
Okay.
And I'll sleep right here.
I'll sleep right here.
Is there?
not like clean here.
Why?
It's on the floor. Those are my shoes right there.
English stuff. English stuff.
Yeah.
Let it go ahead.
In the bathroom.
You good?
You want to leave?
No.
No, not right this second, but pretty soon.
Phew.
She wrote my name in yellow hearts. My bet she's still written
What?
So does CJ's.
No, they don't. My phone would sound like if they jiggled.
Yo.
Are you using my fishing rod?
No.
Oh. This one's probably mine. Is this mine? Yeah, that's mine.
You don't know what's your fishing rod and what's your.
This is my third in like 4 hours.
Go.
They're not alcoholic.
Huh. Yeah, Cody got.
What did you do to my rod?
That's why I said, do I have to drive the fish home?
Cody, drink some water. Eat some more cheese. I know my nipples are kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about putting my hoodie on.
got around 400 feet.
That's good for
You
Derek.
want, have some more pizza and some water.
Come on, ladies.
Lightweight. Let's start calling you Kate.
Like Caden. Caden would never
Let's start calling you Kate.
No.
Don't go knocking on doors now.
See
Caden
Joe.
took 200 to
See
hold
Joe.
every time.
What?
Caden
Your
took
name's
250
Joe-O.
And every day. And that's why Caden ended up like Caden. He didn't want to hold it too hard.
Can you put
Yeah, I'm sure.
this back on?
CJ, buddy, you need help? You guys should go play. Hey, hang on. Hang on. Hang on, you're caught up.
Wait, who owns this?
Alright, reel it in.
Is that him?
You need to tighten your drag.
Who would be more willing to let me carve my own?
Made it worse.
Tighter. Neither, never. Hang on,
It's as tight as it is.
hang on,
Probably going the wrong way.
hang on, hang on. You're tangled up here. Hang on.
Yeah, just for asking.
Alright, now do it.
Yeah, my thank you.
Thank you, bud. Yep.
What's
Alright,
that?
hang on. Don't get my finger with that hook. Keep going. Keep going. You don't even know. You too. Alright. Don't get me with it. Back up. Just go straight back. Thank you.
You like it?
I can't believe Harrison jumped in the lake.
What's up, dog? Yo. Yo! Get out the way, dude. I'm trying to show them more fishing.
You know what Cody
I
said?
didn't say
You know
anything.
what Cody said? He said,
Your
you get in the
rod can go over here.
He said he'll be on his back. Cody's yelling in the house.
Wait, what?
$40.
That what?
$40. You not worms.
No. No.
Wait.
He said, do it. You trying to get those open? You want one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ew, bro, why do your hands look like you've been doing
You
it?
allowed to have one? Yeah? Okay. Go. You have?
Can I cut your
Okay.
neck off? No.
Go ahead. They're good.
Sit it right here. For when the camera
No,
needs to
he
be
did
good.
not. I did.
Thank you.
What? No, CJ, who bought those freeze-dried Skittles?
So wait until.
I asked you to, so
But I bought them.
He's like,
so
wait,
technically me.
so wait in the middle of the
Okay,
night.
everybody but me bought them.
And hitting you up.
Huh.
Whoa. Harrison's the bad kid.
Yeah.
Damn.
Earlier, CJ kept telling me, oh, my dad said that you're a bad kid.
What? No, I didn't.
That's what he said.
See, now he's just lying.
CJ, did you say that?
Oh, I wasn't lying.
I've never said that.
Play back 2 seconds ago.
I've never said that, Harrison.
Play back 2 seconds
You
ago.
literally just said it.
Alright. Well, I was joking. You got me.
Harrison, pull that knife.
You got me, Harrison. Yeah, right. I got a bigger one.
Hilarious.
Huh? Mine?
No, who's quicker? Not yours.
Oh, I'm very quick. Can yours open like that? Hey, don't come at me like that.
Hey,
Can you help me?
hey.
Like this.
Stop.
I don't even know what you're doing, but you need to quit.
He's trying to have a knife fight.
Bro, what is wrong with you, bro? You're gonna die.
I told him.
Look, I said his can't open this quick. Look.
To be fair, I did say pull your knife on him.
Why are you guys
Oh,
such
shit.
bad influences?
We were just telling
Okay,
Harrison how he was a bad
Harrison,
influence.
you are, dude.
I
Why?
told him that late at night Hayden was gonna come into his room while he was sleeping and diddy him up.
Don't tell people that.
I did. Here,
You could get in a lot of trouble for that, dude.
kind of really messed up. Harrison, you want to go to the
CJ,
dock?
I think you guys should be done fishing, bud. Because,
Yeah, there's nothing.
yeah, this is. I'm
You
absolutely.
got a ball or something?
Oh, I didn't catch anything.
Yo,
Yeah?
want to do something with a knife for no reason?
Do what?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Throw a rock at it?
No, start a fire.
With a knife.
Yeah, knife and a rock. Thinking steel.
Bro, that's gonna dull my knife.
Thinking steel.
Sorry, I thought you were gonna hit me.
I'm going over here. Yo, that's my tag. You're it. Alright, wait, if you tag me, you get to kill me.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean.
Oh my god! Harrison's gone insane. Harrison, if you catch me, you can kill me. You're tired already? You're tired already? Oh no. Crap. Dude, he's charging.
Yeah, stay calm.
I think it's clear.
Which is actually kind of surprising.
It looks clear.
Yeah.
Gotta come get me. Luca. Oh no.
Like I said, it's like,
Yo, he's right there. No. Oh my god. 35 minute long video. It's extreme. I'm gonna try and make it for at least 45 minutes. Don't tell them where I am.
Trip and knock some teeth out like that book.
What, Smile?
Yeah.
Your brain's too much on that. They should make a book called Brains about an old lady who stuck his brain on Smile.
Yeah.
There were two kids playing casually. She was like, "You better not do that or else you'll end up like the girl on Smile." Bleh. Oh my god!
Go back here, you little shrimp scampy.
Shrimp Scampy? I ain't no Shrimp Scampy. You're a three-tailed sloth.
They've always looked at her like a daughter, and they've been talking to me recently. Like, she might be like, my mom and dad have done a lot for her, dude. A lot. Yes.
He's right over there. He went in my best hiding spot just to scare me.
I got you.
No, you didn't. You gotta tag me. You're gonna end up like the girl.
I was there and saw everything. And
Hey, buddy, I know you're behind that board. You can't leave.
Yeah, but you gotta let me leave.
Okay.
I can. Okay, pause the game. I'm tired. I need a drink of water.
Tag, don't freaking pause.
No, I need a drink of.
Where's your hat off?
I need a drink of water.
Well, too tired to play a freaking game.
Please. No! You can't just time out just because I got you. That's not how the game works. No, he cornered me. He cornered me. But isn't he around like an assistant?
Run for what?
No, whenever I get cornered, I have 5 seconds to run. That's not how it works. Do that. You can't just.
He already got you though. He got you. Sorry.
Yeah, you gotta get me now. Let's play another round. Okay.
Gotta get him. Alright, run.
Okay, that's easy.
Go get
I'll
him.
fast walk and get him. It's that easy.
Harrison, run. What are you doing?
Got you. And then I did driving.
You know, and she kind of calmed down. Yeah, we kind of talked.